That's what we're here for. Big boy snooks.
Would you look at that fish?
That is a big boy. FLOREEL fishing.
Welcome.
FLOREEL fishing.
Ooh, come here, baby. That's from Bonita. We're St. Lucie, Florida. We got them up here too, baby. We got them up here too, baby. Beautiful baby right here.
Down to some FLOREEL fishing is what we do.
FLOREEL fishing all day, baby.
How's it going, folks? Adonis with FLOREEL Fishing. And here we are, day 2. South Carolina, we are in Leesville, and this is Lake Murray. Today we're fishing for striper, using a nice shad. I'm gonna be sprinkling some of this on there. It works. Live or artificial bait works. And I am fishing with, I believe it's a 12-pound test. Little 2-ounce weight with the swivel. And get this puppy just like so. And we're ready to go. I'm gonna drop him on down. Now it's 30 feet here. Send him all the way down. Reel him up just a little bit. And we'll put him on the rod holder. And we just wait. Stay tuned. Okay. So sent him on down there. Bring him up just a tad. Loosen up that drag. Okay. Yep. So we have one over there. That one's all the way at the bottom, casted out. This one is right underneath the boat. This one's right here underneath the boat. I'm gonna put one here underneath the boat. All right. Wanted to share with you guys the scenery we have here. It's just beautiful. We are in the upper river near Saluda on Lake Murray. And as we're waiting for the bite, we're just enjoying the view. The weather is wonderful. It's about 60 degrees. It was about 40 this morning, but it's just now starting to warm up. And it's just incredible. The trees, the coloring, everything. Just a sight to see. I moved up to South Carolina when I was about, say, 10 years old, so I practically was raised here. I moved back to the place of birth of Florida right when I was around 18, 19 years old. I'm 30 now, so I've been back home for about 10 plus years now. And every now and then I come back to where I was raised. And this is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. It's peace, quiet, family, fishing, and adventure, all for a really low price. I wanted to give a shout out to Chip Bragg of Sea and Stripes Guide Services. I wanted to give a shout out to Kids Can Fish Foundation, wonderful people who promote kids and fishing. They made Adonis a Kid of the Day. Really, thank you, appreciate it much. Made him happy, very happy. I also wanted to thank Midlands Outdoors for providing us the nice shad that we have in our live well. And here we are. Want to give a special shout out to Bruce and Tanner at Billy Bones. They supplied me with some gear for this trip. Don't forget, they do have sales going on. Don't be afraid to stop in and get you a couple of things. Guys, I got a monster on here. Get the net, babe. Oh my God, he's gonna spool me. Oh my God. I knew they were coming. Come here, buddy. He's on. Ooh. Striper fever, baby. Striper fever. Striper fever, baby. Striper fever, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Come on. Why do they hit on the smallest poles every time? Okay, he's gonna be coming. I'm all right, I think. He's a keeper. I know that much. Come on, get tired on me. He's coming over here, baby. He's coming over here. Yeah, no, I don't see him yet. He's down. He's tired. He's getting tired. No, he ain't.
He's trying to get.
Mind you, I'm fishing with, I think, 8 or 12 pound, I think. So I'm like, come up. Come up. All right, baby, coming this way. Come on. I'm winning on you. I'm winning. Get that net in the water. I think I'm beating him. I'm beating him. I'm beating him. Get him in there. Get him in there. Get him in there. Get him in there. Get him in. Face first, baby. Face first. There you go. There you go, baby. Doe on the head. That's a slab keeper striper. Pa-pow! That's what we come out here to do. That's what we come out here to do. Bruce, Canyon never fails, do it. It never fails us. Now, what we're gonna do is, guys, it's I believe 18 or 22. I'm sorry. He's way over. Yeah, he's
22 actually, right?
no. I mean, I'm not even at, that's the 0 right there.
Oh,
so
yeah.
he's almost 24, you guys. So there we go. First one of the day. Put him in the cooler. What's the saying? Tag them and bag them. But this time we ain't bagging. I brought the baby with me. So let's do it. So if you're wondering what I'm doing and what, oh, I'm getting a hit. I might get a hit in the net. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because these striper, they used to get fed here in the hatcheries, and they're used to this noise when they're fed. So this is what I'm doing to get them here. I don't know if you guys can see that real well, but there's a load of fish here. So we're waiting. Look at all that. Wow. So we continue to bang and hope they hit one of our 4 poles here. That's something new for you Floridians. Now, folks, I've been using some of this Bait Mate live game fish spray. It works. It's been working really good. I mean, we've been getting hits left and right, but they just keep robbing us as the schools come. But what I do is just put a little bit on there like so, and it'll stay on him. So send him on his way. And we wait some more. Reel him, baby. So my baby's got one. You feel him? Is he still there?
Oh,
It's a perch. It's a perch. Bring him in here. So we got a baby perch, guys. Yeah. So we got ourselves a little perch. Okay. So what you guys have been hitting, huh? So we got ourselves a nice perch for the table. There you have it, guys. I'm telling you, it works. Get yourself some of that bait game spray. It works. Perch, striper. I'm pretty sure it works down in Florida too. Let's keep it going. Good job, baby. Good job. Got yourself your first perch. All right. It's getting chilly out here. Getting real chilly out here. Oh my gosh. All right. So the wife's got something on big. Pull down, pull down, pull down into the water. Don't let them break that line. Keep reeling in. Keep reeling. Good job. Good job. He's a big one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now you feeling that fight?
Mm-hmm.
He's got my other line tangled, but that's okay. Keep reeling.
Oh, that's that why?
Yeah. I hope it's not two on there. And he's got all of them wrapped. All right, do me a favor. Reel that purple one up. All right, hold on. It's all right. Let him fight. He ain't getting off no time soon. Let me just keep on reeling. Give me that net. I'm trying to figure out what line he's on. I got a mess here, guys, because the wife struggled with that striper. Okay, so we got him in close. Give me that net. Come here, buddy. Come here. He's a big guy too. And he's in. All right.
Where did we get it on this one?
Oh, God, he's a slab. It's all right. It's all right. Just figure it out. So I had to help her out. But how was that fight? Big, right? All right. Let's get this big guy measured here. Yeah, yours is just a little bit bigger though. Nice. Almost to the 24. Good job. Fish slide. stripers and a perch. The degrees is getting kind of cold. It's dropping, and when it drops, all I want to do is drop. So we're headed back to the Acapulco boat ramp. That's where we came out of. That's where we're going back to. See you at the house. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys. So we made it back to the house. We got 2 nice size 22, almost 23 inch stripers and 1 perch. We are still going back out there to hopefully retrieve more stripers. This is not the end of our trip. He is 5 pounds, 12 ounces. I believe that one was mine. So let's see the wife's here. 5 pounds, 15 ounces. So it's 10 pounds in both fish. I mean, that is a slab monkey for 5 pounds, both of them. And we can't forget about the little perch guy. All right, you guys, so there you have it. That is 2 5-pound striped bass fillets. That's what it looks like. Nice white meat. And we are gonna go ahead and season them up. I'm gonna show you the turnout. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this is the final outcome. This is lemon pepper garlic pan fried striper. As you can see, it looks delicious. Half of it is already gone from the pan, and I'll show you why. It's on my plate, and this is the outcome of what it looks like. Got some honey carrots, got your salad, and I got my Uncle Ben's fries.
What?
Fish.
Fries.
Fish.
Butter. Garlic.
Honey carrots are good for your vision.
Leo likes carrots.
Yeah, and until next time, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.